What a beautiful day the Lord has made. Father God, thank you for watching over me as I slumbered last night, Father God, because I had no idea what going on around me, Father God, but you kept me. Thank you for waking me this morning into another beautiful day, Lord. But God,